Okay, so a lot of people have been commenting, leaving suggestions for an Amapiano tutorial, and I've never actually made a beat, but I love the genre, I think the vibe's sick, and I really wanted to make something for you. So for this video, I'm gonna do things a little bit differently, and my guy Samy Beatz is actually gonna start it. He makes really high quality tutorials for Afro beats and Amapiano, so he's like the perfect man for the job. But to make things interesting, he's asked me if I can flip it into drill, so I'm gonna let him do his thing, he'll pass it over to me, and I'll see if I can merge the two genres. So let's get straight into it.
Yo, Sagafet, I'm Samy Beatz. I'm gonna create a cool Amapiano sample and send it to Cactus to turn it into a banger, a drill beat. So let's have some fun. Our tempo is 113, and let's start by creating our chord progression. Okay, nice. And this one, like that. Alt X, we're gonna load. Nice. Next instrument gonna be a piano, so we can add a little melody, a counter melody. Let's use labs. Now we're gonna add purity, so we can start adding this Amapiano vibe to it. Go to slow synth, and then I might use the tremolo signal. Nice. And to really bring the vibe, guys, I'm gonna use this shaker loop. And now let's go to flex, trying to add another melody just to complete it. Trying to find the mute nectar. This is one of my favorite presets, guys. Okay, now we're gonna make sure that it sounds like we want it, like that. This one, I don't want it to be on time. Nice, I'm okay with it like that. Now guys, I'm gonna try to add some nice vocal chop. Go to arcade. Nice. Woo. Guys, I love everything that I created so far, and now I think to really bring the vibe, I'm going to use drum loop. Go to drum loop. Let's use this one. Ooh. Hey. Guys, in Amapiano, log drums are very important. I'm gonna create the pattern, and hopefully Cactus find something to do with them. If not, it's totally okay. Then we go. And guys, I'm gonna combine it with another log drum that sound like this. Okay, now we're gonna go to the second one. That's it, guys. I think my job is done here, but before sending it to Cactus, I'm gonna let you listen to the final sample. Enjoy.
Ooh, this sample sounds sick already. Jeez, vibe's crazy. Ooh, whatever that bass is so sick. Yeah, this is hard. Alright, so I've brought the stems into FL, got the project set to 113. Now the only thing that might be tricky is just getting this to a drill tempo, because it's going to have to be stretched quite a bit, so it might not sound right. And if you're changing the BPM, you want all of the files to be in stretch mode. And to do that, you just go to Tools, Macros, switch all audio clips to, and then real-time stretching. Now you'll notice if you go into any of the files, they'll all be set to stretch, so you don't have to do it one by one. Right, let's just mute the drum because I won't need that. And let's just see how it sounds at 140. Yeah, so it is sounding a bit fast, but I'll see what I can do. I actually want to normalize all of the files first, just because some of them are sounding a bit quiet. And if anyone knows how to normalize multiple files, let me know in the comments, because I still haven't found a way. Then I'm just going to take everything and then link them, and then just bring them down a bit. And then I'm also going to group everything together. Don't need the shaker for now. We'll also mute the bass. I think we could just work around this. Let's try it in some halftime. That sounds kind of sick. Even there, sounds kind of cold too. What if we pitch it up a full octave? Kind of sick, but the stretching just makes it sound a bit nasty. Maybe if we just pitch it up like 5, that could work. Yeah, I'm gonna run with that, you know. And then I'm also gonna cut out some bass for this section. Alright, let's just get some drums in. So I'm gonna go to the Chaos drum kit, because whatever kit you're gonna be using these days, we'll go for a light one like this one, or even that. Or we could do a mix of both. So in this one, we'll just bring some down. We'll actually bring a hi-hat in for the second one. So I'm just using this hat for some rolls and some filler notes. I think just a couple more. And then I always like to make it a little bit busier towards the end. Yeah, it sounds hard. Might change it to the simple one though. And then maybe even some effect tricks on the hats. Or here. Let's try a little bit of delay as well. And then with the hats, I'm just going to add Pan Man. I always go to this 2-bar wide slow preset. Bring down the width a bit. See how this sounds. Alright, I want to open hat in as well. I think the scratch one sounds sick. And we could add this just right at the end here. Yeah, perfect. And for the snare, I'm thinking some kind of clap or just something light. That could work. Or maybe this one. And then I'm thinking this last one could go here, just so it bounces off the hats. Alright, next I want something to help with the atmosphere, so I'm thinking some kind of perk with a lot of reverb. Got a ton of sounds in the percussion kit. Definitely want to add this. I'm just going for some unique sounds for this one. Let's just add this right at the end. Yeah, it sounds crazy. Flows nice. Or you know what? Maybe one of the loops would work. Yeah, maybe this. Just sitting underneath it. Let's just add some reverb to that too. Yeah, I think that bounce sounds crazy underneath. I still want some kind of perk hit or impact sound though, but I just don't want to use the typical drill gunshot. It's quite a typical sound, but I think it might work for this one. And then for the end of the phrase, we'll take this one. Go back to the percussion kit and we could use one of these midis. Just get rid of the beginning. We'll keep these. We'll try another one. Yeah, I think this will work. Yeah, the bounce in this beat is sounding so sick and I haven't even got a bass in yet. I don't know which one's gonna work, but I'm thinking maybe this heat one. And then it just goes down. Let's just test out a few more sounds. I really like this backward one. I think these could come down though. And then have this one slide up. I think slide this one up too. Thinking even a note to slide down at the end. Yeah, maybe that. Let's get the bounce with the kick. And then something similar here. Could add another one there. There we go. And then I think just a riser at the end of that. Even this light drum fill. I don't want to add drum fills to every beat just for the sake of it, but this one could work. Yeah, that one actually sounds perfect. What I'm going to do is copy this over, and I'm going to make this pattern longer because I might want to switch up the bass in the second part. So I'm just going to copy everything. I could have just made a unique pattern, but either way works. Maybe in this part we could bring this back. I think that'll work. Alright, so now I can just split the drum pattern and find a way to arrange the whole beat. I already know I don't like to have a drum fill at the end of every single 8. Same with that. Okay, sick. And I'm gonna take this whole thing, copy it over, get rid of the drums here. So I might have this whole section just how Samy had it, and then we could have a bridge, and then the drill part could come in. So maybe for the bridge, I could keep the perc loop there. I also need to automate the BPM. So I'm gonna click up here, create automation clip. Now to get this right, all you need to do is scroll down to the BPM you want. So I want 113 for the first section. Then I'm gonna copy this value, bring it back up to 140. Now I've got a point here, and I'm gonna paste the value. I'm gonna add another point here, and again, just paste the value. And now that's the 140 point, so I can copy that, create another point here, and then paste that. So now what should happen is it'll be 113, and then as soon as it gets to this part, it should change. I also need to take the effects off, so we'll automate that, the EQ, and then halftime. So these all don't need to be on, but then when it gets to this part, it will change. So yeah, let's bring all of these back. Ooh, I forgot how sick this bit was sounding. I'm gonna leave this out of this part. Build up here. Then I need something to transition. Because of the key switch, it's just going to sound a bit weird going straight into it. You'll see what I mean. See what I'm saying? It's too sudden. What I'm thinking is I'll add a different halftime for this bridge. Could just add a standard one. And then we'll automate this too. And this is just going to come in where the bridge is and then come off here. Not bad. Still a bit too sudden though. Maybe if I turn this sound shifter off. Definitely need some kind of riser as well. Try a couple different ones. That could work. That's actually smoother. Could add some more reverb to that one as well. Yeah, there we go. I wonder what happens if I bring this sound shifter up like this. And it might just change key over time. That could work. Sounds hard. I'm gonna bring this perc kit back. And then I think the fill needs to go there as well. You know what? I said I wanted to use that bass, but maybe I could just use this one and then cut the 808 when this comes in. Yeah, there we go. But I'm gonna have to make this one unique and take that EQ off. And then yeah, let's consolidate both of these. That's crazy. So yeah, essentially what I'm thinking of doing is every time this bass comes in, I'll just mute mine. Yeah. Yeah, this sounds pretty sick. Forgot I had this sound as well. That could stay in there. And then I could bring this lead back as well. Yeah, this is sounding sick. Okay, and I think we're done. That was quite a big project. We've got a lot of automation going, but it sounded sick. So let's have a listen from the beginning. Even the start's such a nice vibe.
Cactus.
Yeah, Samy killed it with this part. I'm feeling these Amapiano beats. I've never even made one. My first one had to be drill. Yeah, if you want me to start making these type of beats, let me know in the comments. So now we're just coming into the bridge where the switch up happens. Yeah, I think that transition was smooth. From that, you know it's gonna be drill. Crazy. I love the two different basses working together.
I definitely love how Cactus combine Amapiano and then the drill vibe.
Let me know how you think this one came out. I think it turned out sick. transition sounded smooth again. So yeah, make sure you check out Samy Beatz' videos. Shout out to him for getting involved in this one. And if you want to see me merge other genres with drill, click up here. Or for standard drill, click up here.